Good morning. Quick little tutorial for Renaissance project number 2. So you're all obviously here in classwork. You're going to select this, which is how you found this video. The instructions are here. You are going to first start by watching this Edpuzzle video on the Protestant Reformation. There will be questions that you answer with the video. So please make sure you go all the way to the end and answer the questions. You don't get a grade for the Edpuzzle videos unless you complete the video and answer the questions correctly. Then you'll also watch the Edpuzzle video on Magna Carta. This one you will get a grade for watching it because it shows me that how many minutes of it you've watched, but there aren't questions for the Magna Carta video. You're just going to want to listen carefully and maybe jot down a few notes about what this video tells us about the Magna Carta. So once you've watched these two videos, then you're going to open up this Google Doc, which is the instructions. So you'll read this big idea and the task. The task is really the most important part that you always want to make sure you read carefully. So here you'll see you're going to explain how 3 different documents from the Renaissance period brought significant changes to the powerful institutions of both the church and government. So how did Luther's 95 Theses, the Magna Carta, and the English Bill of Rights change history? That's your task. So you have to figure out what you know and can tell me about those 3 documents and how they changed either the church or government. So you have watched, obviously, 2 videos, one that talked about the 95 Theses, one that talked about the Magna Carta, and the English Bill of Rights is one you'll have to look at without a video. All right, so you're going to make sure you research. Why was the document written? What was its purpose? How did it promote change? And how has it impacted history even beyond the Renaissance? So you're going to take what you've learned from the 2 videos, and then you are also going to use these sources. So I've listed 4 sources here on the 95 Theses, the Magna Carta, and 2 different sources on English Bill of Rights. You're just going to kind of jot down I would suggest you put them in maybe 3 columns or 3 boxes, one for 95 Theses, one for Magna Carta, one for English Bill of Rights, looking for this information up here so that you can answer this question under the task. Once you have your research finished from the videos and the websites, then you are going to record a video explanation. So basically, I'm asking you, instead of writing me an essay on this, I'm asking you to explain it to me. So you are going to go to this link on Flipgrid, make sure your video is on, make sure you're practicing your good public speaking skills. This is something really important we need to continue to practice, just like if we were in class. And so you're going to take your notes. Please don't read your notes to us, but make sure you use your notes. And then you're going to say, you're going to tell me how did the 95 Theses, the Magna Carta, and the English Bill of Rights, how did each of them contribute to change in this time period, and how did they impact history? And then you'll turn it in on Flipgrid. So there is nothing that you actually turn in on Google Classroom, and there will be nothing that you turn in on Odysseyware. You just mark that it's done in Google Classroom, and then you just mark that it's done and turned in. It'll be blank, but that's fine. Turn it in on Odysseyware. That will send a message to me saying that you're finished. Then I can go into Edpuzzle and grade your 2 videos. I can go into Flipgrid and grade your video, and then I'll put a grade into Odysseyware. And just for those of you who like funny things, I found these 2 kind of goofy songs on the Magna Carta that I thought some of you might at least find entertaining. So I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.